because you are Kashmiri and this is an international platform. If you can recite, the judges will judge on this performance, but if you can recite something in Kashmiri now, 2 or 3 lines, this will be a very good platform to send that out.
We'll give you a minute and a half.
Just to show your power, yeah?
Yeah, we'll give you a minute and a half or 2, please, if you can.
Hi.
This is a salam originally recited by me. It's in Kashmiri.
Yeah.
Vadan Zainab Balay Margas Hussain Vad hai Badad Andarim Vanayit Vankas Hussain Vad hai Chabai nezan tir nihun mazar kor hai Chabai nezan tir nihun mazar kor hai chusar avezan chun nezas Hussain Vad hai
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. أحسنت أمير.